Imagine your Ikea order, delivered by the sun. Introducing the Sunrider, the world's first solar-powered cargo bike. The Sunrider is up to 100% solar charging through solar panels built into the cargo box. Emits 98% less CO2 than modern diesel vans, and even has a 67% reduction in CO2 emissions compared to a conventional cargo e-bike. Many of our Ikea customers live in cities with limited access to transportation, so the Sunrider will be a valuable addition to our last-mile delivery services, providing a sustainable and accessible way of reaching our customers.